Hey, it's One Plucky Pixel here, and welcome back to another creative design tutorial. In today's video, we will cover how to create a basic slide reveal in Adobe After Effects. To start things off, I do have an image of a beach over here, and from here I will add in my text. I'll use the text tool like so. I will select it. I'm going to click and drag to create my text box. When I release, I can then type in my word. In this case, I'll use the word beach. And of course, if it is too large for the bounding box, all you have to do is click and drag. And there we have it. Now, I do want to scale down my text. I'm going to click and drag to select. And from here, just change these parameters. Let's do 300. Alright. I'm going to use the regular selection tool. Shift it back in place. Now, if I do want to align this further, I can also do Window, Align, and from here I want to align layers to composition. I can center it horizontally and center it vertically. Alright, now that step 1 is complete, we do have to create an additional layer. I'm going to select my text layer. From here, I then go to Layer, New, Shape Layer. From here, you can see that the Shape tool is selected. Currently, the Rectangle tool is active. From here, I'm actually going to create a rectangle beneath beach. To do so, I just click and drag. And now I have my rectangle. Now don't worry about the color, that will be irrelevant. Now that this is in place, I'm going to go to my track mat. Now if this feature is not active, utilize the toggle switches and modes to activate track mat. From here, I select my beach text. Currently it says no mat. I select the drop down. And from here, I want to select Shape Layer 1. This will be my mask. And just like that, it has disappeared. Now currently this is not correct. I actually want to invert this. So in this case, I will click this option over here, click to invert the mat. And just like that, our mat is in place. Now, all we have to do is actually animate the text. So in this case, I select my text layer. I select P on my keyboard, and that toggles the position. In this case, I'm going to select the stopwatch. I'm going to move my cursor farther along the timeline, maybe to about here, per se. Now, my mask is below beach, so in this case, I want to change the Y coordinates. I'm going to click and drag like so, and make it disappear into the now invisible mask. Perfect. Now, unfortunately, this is actually occurring in reverse. The text is actually hiding within the mask versus being revealed. So, in this case, all you have to do, you can click and drag to select both keyframes. You then right-click, select Keyframe Assistant, and do Time Reverse Keyframes. This is actually going to flip the keyframes currently in the panel. From here, I go back to the start, and once I hit play with my spacebar, the text is now revealing itself from the invisible mask. And just like that, our effect is complete. Now, of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out in the comments below. And of course, I hope to see you in the next video. As always, thank you so much for watching.